Bail 2-3 prison. Trinidad, y'all have the money and we're gonna investigate you. You understand? Them kill Bumble. And people hear me talk about Trinidad. And when I speak about Trinidad, people think I am hating on Trinidad. But I'm not. I'm always speaking facts. No, Bumble friends killed him, you know. They kill him. And I heard somebody from the 7 is involved in this thing. But not only that, I said before that Trinidad is a different kind of place. And I've had many examples and many experience, and I speak on it, and people always think I'm hating on Trinidad. But the truth is, I'm speaking facts, and I am obsessed with Trinidad. And this might sound crazy, I actually love Trinidad. The Trinidad girl them have some fat pum pum, the vibes and everything, but only one thing in Trinidad, and it's the bad mind and the killing culture.
Yeah, me I give it to them, you know. Yeah, man, a long time me I watch and I see them. I mislead you with them. Yo. Yeah, man, me just can't sit back and I watch the people them I destroy the little ghetto you with them, no. You have to talk about it. I say me nah. I say me nah. Certain things me nah do. Me just nah. And certain things me can't do. Me just can't. Because the little juvenile them a watch you. Me just can't. Hey, now what's the black brother working hard all week and go rob him chain. Collect bloody money from the black brother head, and when him touch down bust him brain.
This mystery artist, me nah lie, the man tune full of vibes. Yo, me I go work with that artist. But let me start this by saying, good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great, and one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and click on another video. I want to big up all the subscribers them and all the supporters. In this video I'm talking about Bumble from Trinidad, and I am going to address a viewer's comment on the video I did on El Salvador and Jamaica. With that said, we're gonna do this. Let's go. Look at the screen in front of you. It's Bumble, and the police said that Bumble, they did offer him a ride to his house and he adamantly refused. Now, to me, there's some suspicion in that, because you and I know that no man want the police to drop them or take them home, especially if you're in the gangster world and people see the police dropping you home. That means you are an informer and you're definitely working with the police. Now, if you look at it, they say, well, the 28-year-old Keston Monroe, aka Bumbles, was shot multiple times outside the Belmont police station, seconds after he was released from custody. Let me repeat that one more time, yo. I'm just showing y'all how Trinidad is, you know. Now, seconds, not minutes, not hours, not days, but seconds after he was released from the Belmont police station. Before I go any further, I want to address a comment somebody, White Jesus, made about the video I did on El Salvador. Because now back to Bumble. Now, obviously, Bumble got set up. There's a couple scenarios I heard floating around. Some people are saying that it's the police them who set him up, who made a phone call, because in Trinidad, the police and the gangster, just like Jamaica, just like St. Lucia, everywhere else, they work hand in hand. You understand? But there's also another story floating around which say that his friends them, they switched on him. You understand? Because he was one of the person stomping out a guy when the six them, I think it was the six, that went and did a performance at a fete. Now, I feel like it's between them friend them and the seven. And a little birdie is telling me that the man named Sunday, let me show his picture. You remember Sunday? That's the president's cousin. And him is a nasty little fellow, Enough people him kill, rob all jewelry store, and him link all different sort of people, and him and Tyson have the wickedest war going on in Port of Spain. So somebody, a little birdie like I'm saying, is whispering in my ear that Sunday may be behind this. I want to tell you too, Sunday, because of how him flex, them man they have police link, I guarantee that. So I am believing the second conspiracy theory that's going on out there, that Sunday might be behind this killing. And that's what I have to say. Now, with that said, before I go, how many times am I gonna say how dangerous Trinidad is? Trinidad have a kind of murderous mentality. It's friends that kill friends pan rapid over there, and you can see for how many dons got killed. It's culture, it's Bombay, it's this, it's that, it's rebel, it's... And one more thing about Trinidad. Now, they have one of the biggest reggae artists on the planet right now, and they chased him out of Trinidad. They chased Prince Swanee out of Trinidad. Prince Swanee should be somebody that Trinidad look up to and give him all the key for the city, try to motivate, because he actually put Trinidad on the map. Him have the biggest artist, Byron Yogi Beer, in his corner. So I'm just showing you what the stats is showing about Trinidad. Bumble, you should have been more smarter than that, bro. And I'm sorry that happened, but unfortunately, that's the life in Trinidad. Until people ready to stand up for their rights, it's always gonna be the same. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, click on another video. I'm out.